What's the meaning of carryover? Carryover. Carryover.
Carry over. Carry over. Carryover refers to the transfer of something from one situation or period of time to another. It can apply to many fields, such as finance, sports, or education. In finance, carryover refers to profits or losses that are carried over from one period to another. In sports, carryover can refer to a contestant's score from one round being carried forward to the next. In education, carryover refers to knowledge or skills that students learn in one subject and apply to another. Overall, carryover enables continuity and momentum in various contexts.